Hotmail 101, Outlook.com. Replaced Hotmail? Outlook.com is Microsoft's modern email service that effectively replaced Hotmail. Transition from Hotmail to Outlook.com. 1. Introduction of Outlook.com. In 2012, Microsoft introduced Outlook.com as a new and improved email service. Outlook.com offered a refreshed interface, better integration with other Microsoft services, and improved features compared to Hotmail. 2. Migration of Hotmail accounts. Microsoft initiated a gradual migration process for existing Hotmail users to transition to Outlook.com. Users were given the option to upgrade their Hotmail accounts to Outlook.com accounts, which retained all their emails, contacts, and settings. 3. Improved features and integration. Outlook.com introduced several enhancements over Hotmail, including streamlined and modern user interface, tight integration with other Microsoft services such as OneDrive, Office Online, and Skype. Enhanced security features, including built-in spam filtering and two-step verification. Better organization and management tools for emails, contacts, and calendars. 4. Continued support for Hotmail addresses. Despite the transition to Outlook.com, Microsoft continued to support existing Hotmail email addresses, ensuring that users could still access their accounts through the new Outlook.com interface. 5. Unified branding. With the introduction of Outlook.com, Microsoft aimed to unify its email services under the Outlook brand, which is synonymous with its popular email client used in the Microsoft Office suite. 6. Migration completion. Over time, Microsoft encouraged all Hotmail users to upgrade to Outlook.com, eventually discontinuing the Hotmail service. Users were encouraged to switch to Outlook.com for the latest features, security updates, and support. Benefits of Outlook.com over Hotmail. Modern interface. Outlook.com offered a more modern and intuitive user interface compared to the aging design of Hotmail. Integration with Microsoft services. Outlook.com seamlessly integrated with other Microsoft services such as OneDrive, Office Online, and Skype, providing a unified experience. Enhanced features. Outlook.com introduced several new features and improvements, including better organization tools, enhanced security, and improved performance. Continued support and updates. By transitioning to Outlook.com, users gained access to ongoing support, updates, and new features from Microsoft. Overall, the transition from Hotmail to Outlook.com marked a significant upgrade for users, providing a more modern, feature-rich, and integrated email experience.